Hi, a quick update here about programming the Nucleo board remotely. Actually, I found it recently. Uh, it's a kind of interesting. Through this guy, he had a video on YouTube. It didn't work for the Nucleo, and then we had a bunch of discussion, and he figured out how to do it. So let me show you. This is my workstation right now. So if I just say ls USB, there is no Nucleo board connected to it. I can just do this to show you that it's not connected. This is just updating. And then if I just SSH to my Jetson Nano, and then if I just do ls USB, and this is Wi-Fi, I have Nucleo board here connected to Jetson Nano. So how it works is just I have compiled OpenOCD. So OpenOCD, you have to compile it in the apt repository. It's pretty old. It doesn't have Nucleo-H7 configuration files, so I had to compile it myself. The installation instruction is already here, how to build OpenOCD. Actually on every platform it's gonna work. So I just tried these stuff on Jetson Nano. It worked. So I have OpenOCD now in this directory. So this is like where I installed OpenOCD, and just what I need to do is just run this terminal. Okay, I've got an error, couldn't bind TCL to Saga 6, already in use. It's okay, I already had it running. So yes, so this is now running on Jetson Nano, the OpenOCD, and this bind to is a key. It's kind of it's gonna OpenOCD accept any any connection from any IP in the network. Without this, it's only looking for localhost. So I have this running here. Now it's waiting for a connection, and then on the STM32Cube ID, I need to create a new debug configuration. So this is the first one that I had. I just duplicate this, and then okay, wide resizing. Okay, and then in the debugger, instead of ST-Link, I would use ST-Link OpenOCD. I would say connect to remote GDB, and instead of a local host, I would say my Jetson Nano IP. And then the thing that we found out is that you have to keep this and this disabled, otherwise it doesn't connect. It gets a lot of like errors like permission and this sort of stuff, but with these two it works. With these two disabled, it's gonna work. So I just say, I think that's it. Let's try debug, and if you see, there are a bunch of messages on the terminal for Jetson Nano that is accepting a connection, and now I need to just switch to debug mode, and now it's here. So it's first programmed, and I can remotely debug my code. This is amazing. I don't need to reconnect the Nucleo board from the Jetson and connect it to my workstation and just reverse. It's gonna be a lot faster now. I think that's it for now. Thanks.